So your rock has made it past the first couple of hurdles in episode 1, and now we're going to learn how to safely grind a window. What is a window, you might ask? It's a small, non-destructive peek at the inside of your rock. You don't need a professional shop for this. Whether you're using a simple metal file or some sandpaper, a Dremel, or even a bench grinder, the goal is the same. Remove just enough of the surface of the rock that we can see the inside. I've actually gotten a window into rocks using more ways than just the few ways here that we're going to talk about today. But these are a few of the ways that I definitely started getting into rocks. This is really just the beginner's sort of way. You don't need a lot of money. You probably have some of these things laying around the house already. And I'm just going to prove to you that they really do work. And show you really how to use these to get a window into your rock. I'm going to wear just a simple dust mask and some gloves throughout this process, because if it's a meteor wrong and it happens to be a piece of slag, there can be really gross things in slag that you definitely don't want to breathe. And just silicates in general are not something you want to be breathing, so safety first. All right, now that I have some PPE on, we're going to take our first rock, and I have just an assortment of sandpaper. It feels like this is a, 40 grit? It's very aggressive. We'll start with that and work our way down. I also have some sanding blocks that I use more for jewelry making, but these will work as well. All right, so let's look at our rock for just a second and kind of decide, like, there's a pretty flat face here, but it's quite large. Do I want to just take I like that little end. Let's just take that little end off so we don't have to sand the whole thing. We just need a little look inside. So at this point, it's probably good. We can see inside of here at this point, but if you wanted to, you can by hand just progress on through. If you want to get it shiny, I mean, if you just want to see just a little better. It's getting pretty polished. All right, window method making number 1, some sandpaper. Another way to get a window into a rock is to use a file. We have another rock. Let's just shoot for like this side of it. That's kind of already flat, so that should be pretty easy, right? We'll just go for it like that. We're starting to get a little look-ski in there. That's a good enough window. I tried to get that low spot in the middle ground out, but in all reality, we just need a small window so we can see the inside, and that we have achieved. Another way that we can get a window into a rock is to use sandpaper wheels on a Dremel tool. And I've got just a couple of grits here. You can get whatever you like. How about this little guy? This is a little bench grinder, and the only reason I suggest a tool like this is because anytime you can add mechanics to this, you can speed things up. Especially if your rock turns out to be particularly hard, like this one is. You can definitely get a peek into this with your file or your sandpaper. I mean, definitely can. Let's do it real quick. I know this is going to be a hard rock. Let's see, let's just take that edge. See, we definitely took some of the rock off, that's for sure. So you may want to speed the process up with something like this little tiny bench grinder. All right, that's more than enough window. That's all we really need. Okay, so do you see now why I suggest you wear gloves and a mask? Nobody wants to be breathing that, and trust me, you really don't want that stuck in your fingernails and stuff. The pile of rock dust that just came out of that sandpaper. These are cheap. Everything I showed you how to use today, pretty cheap. And if you don't already have one around your house, they're pretty readily available at you know, any hardware store or even beauty aisle, dollar stores sort of stuff. So one more thing that I do want to show you that I really don't expect everybody to have, that is nice though, if this is something you want to do a lot of, is to get some kind of a wet system. This is a flat lap. It's just basically a hard piece of sandpaper that spins with water dripping on it. All right, so I've looked at this rock really quick and trying to decide where to put a window. And I think I choose this face right here. It's almost already kind of flat, and it's one of the smaller surfaces on this rock. So we'll go ahead and polish it right there. Safety. Even though it's wet, I still don't want to breathe it. I'm less worried about the gloves though, by the way, in this. It's a lot less messy. And then one of the nicest parts is, instead of having a dust pile, you literally have like a wet cup you can go dump instead. So some of those ways were faster than others. Some of those ways were messier than others. They were all pretty simple. All in all, getting a window into your rock, no matter what method you use, again, not limited to just the methods I showed you today. There are many, many, many ways. Use whatever you have around the house. Or if you decide this is something that you are really into and you actually enjoy getting to look inside the rocks like I do, then maybe invest in some more equipment. Whatever your level, there should be a way there that you can get into your rocks safely. Pretty simple around the house stuff you can do. You can do it at home, and it's going to answer a lot of questions, and at the very least, maybe you'll discover that your rock is actually really pretty inside. So the next step is to read what that window has to say. What's the rock telling us now that we can see the inside? We're going to figure that out together in the next episode. So keep that rock handy, and I'll see you in the next episode.